Hi everyone, this is Miss Robin and this video is for small reading group instruction. So today we are going to focus on short I. I makes a sound I, I, I. So we're going to read some consonant, vowel consonant or CVC words with short I in the middle. That makes the sound I, I. Can you guys say that with me on the count of 3? The sound that short I makes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I, I, I. So we're going to sound out some words and read a short story. So first, some of the words in our story are, the first word says, can you guys sound it out with me? Fix. Say it all together. Fix. Did you guys say that? If you did, good job. Okay, the next word is, let's erase that right here. And now we're going to go to the next word. Sound it out with me. Ready? I want you looking at the letter, thinking of what the letter says in your head, maybe touching the letter on the screen or sounding it out with me. Ready? It. All together now. Rip. This is the word rip. Oh, sorry if there's a glare. You can't see that. I will try better. Okay, our next word, we have 2 letters. And together, those 2 letter sounds make one sound. Look at the S and K. Together, that says sk, sk. You say that with me? Ready? Sk, sk. Okay, so now let's do the short I sound and the P to put it all together. Ready? Sk, ip, skip. The word in our story is skip. Okay, now I'm going to erase that. Our next blend, remember a blend is where you have 2 letter sounds and you put them together to make one. So our next blend is wah, wah, wah. You say that with me? Ready? Wah, wah, wah. Just like what and where and why. We know those words. We say those, read those words a lot. But when you combine it with short I and P, it says, where's my finger? There it is. Ready? Whip. Whip. Did you say whip? I'm proud of you if you did. Thanks for doing your best reading. Okay, our last word that is found in our book starts with the letter D. What does the letter D say? D says D, D, just like dog or dinner. Or in this case, let's sound it out, see if we can figure it out. Ready? Where are we? D, I, D. All together? Did. Hey, that's the word did. That's the last word that we're going to talk about today that's in our story. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to follow along with your eyes, listen with your ears, look at the pictures, and think about the words. Think about the words and the picture and how they go together. Also, every single word that's highlighted is either a PCI sight word that you already know, or it's a word, a CVC word with short I. Remember, short I says I, I, I. What does short I say? Did you say I? Good. I hope you did. I. Or did you think I? Good. I hope you did. You guys are so smart, and I'm so proud of you for learning at home. Okay, so the story we are going to read today is SpongeBob. Who likes SpongeBob? Did you say yes? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? I hope you have a thumbs up because I like SpongeBob. I think he's a pretty funny guy. All right, so our story is called Fix the Rip. Take a look at the picture. What rip do you think they're talking about? Is it SpongeBob's pants? Do they rip? Maybe it's the net. Fix the rip. Maybe based off of the picture, the net gets a rip. Okay, let's turn the first page and see. Remember, if the word is highlighted, I want you to think it in your head or say it out loud. All right. Look, a net, said SpongeBob. Do you want it? Asked Squidward. I want to get rid of it. Sure, if you want to get rid of it, said SpongeBob. We can skip with the net, said Patrick. Yes, we can skip and zip with it. We can skip and zip and whip with it, said SpongeBob. We can even get a fish with it. Did you guys notice all the short I words there? We have skip and whip and zip. Those are all short I words. The short I is in the middle of the word. All right, here's our next page. Patrick, do not trip with it, said SpongeBob. But Patrick did trip with it. Patrick did a flip with it. Rip! Do you guys see the word rip? It, rip. Look at that picture. Oh, look what happens. Patrick tripped. This is kind of tricky reading backwards and showing you the pictures. Thanks for being so patient following along. Uh-oh, the net has a rip, said Patrick. It has a big rip. We must fix it, said SpongeBob. How do you think they're going to fix the rip? Glue? Duct tape? What are your guys' ideas? Stop for a second and think. How would you fix a rip? Maybe a needle and some thread? I don't know. Did you guys say your ideas? Think them in your head for the next page and we're going to see if you're right. Okay. How can we fix it? Said Patrick. How can we fix a big rip? We can hit it, said SpongeBob. A big hit will fix the big rip. Big hit? Is that a good idea? Let's find out if that fixes it. Squidward saw the net. The rip was not big. You could not see the rip a bit. Where's the rip? Asked Squidward. I guess it worked. Maybe things work a little bit differently under the ocean where they live. That's our place. Where? The ocean. That's where they live. The rip, said SpongeBob. Did you say rip? Yes. The net had a big rip, said Squidward. That is why I wanted to get rid of it. Right, last page. We got rid of the rip, said SpongeBob. But you cannot get rid of us. Squidward happy there? I don't think so. What about Patrick and SpongeBob? Yeah, they look happy. Okay, I hope you guys practice saying words that start with short I. Short I says I. Okay, bye. See you next time.